How to make AI videos for TikTok. What is going on, guys? I am Verno Silas. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make these baby AI dancing videos so that you can post on your TikTok or post on your YouTube channel. All right, so make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end because you're not going to want to miss any steps. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you need to. Okay, so let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to need to make these dancing baby AI videos is you're going to need a image of a baby. All right, I personally already have an image of a baby that I'm gonna use right here. All right, I got this image created in Kling, but you can use any AI system to make these baby images. All right, a lot of people like to use Gemini. I know some people like to use Flow AI. You can use either one. All right, so go to your favorite image creator and just put in a prompt to get a picture of a baby. All right, or use your own baby. Just take a picture of your baby and use your baby. All right, so now that we got a picture of a baby, right, this is going to be our main character. This is going to be the baby that's going to do all the crazy dances and stuff. All right, next thing you need, you're going to need to go into the App Store if you have not done so. All right, so you're going to go into the App Store and you're going to download Kling to your phone. All right, if you have not done so. So go to the search bar, look for go to search, look for Kling, K-L-I-N-G. This is the app that you want to get right here, Kling AI image and video generator. I may have a link in the description, so definitely check the description if you need to. You're going to open this app. This is the app that we're going to use to animate our baby, to animate our AI character. All right, so once you get into Kling, it is a paid membership. Okay, you do need to pay for credits, but I think they do give you free credits when you first starting off. What you're going to do once you get into Kling is you're going to go to AI video. This right here is AI video. All right, once you've clicked on AI video, you're going to look for this thing here that says motion control. And what motion control is going to allow us to do is going to allow us to put our baby AI image in here, and we're going to be able to, make it come to life. All right, using movements that either you recorded yourself or you got from a video. All right, so now we're going to click right here. We're going to upload that baby image. That's that baby. The baby is now being uploaded to our AI app. And I'm doing this all from the iPhone, guys. I forgot to mention that at the beginning of this video. A lot of my videos, I will be showing you guys how to make AI videos using the iPhone. All right. I may teach you guys how to do it on the PC or a laptop, but I mainly just try to teach y'all how to do it from your iPhone so that you guys can be on the go and make this money as well. You know what I'm saying? You can make money on the go. All right, so we got our image in of our baby that we're going to use to do the dances. Next thing we need is the actual dance moves. Now, if you look down here, you will see all these different dance moves that these babies are doing here, or that these people are doing down here. You can either just click on whatever dance that you want your baby to do. You could just click it, and you could hit this green button, and it will make your baby do that dance. Or you can record yourself doing a dance you can upload that dance using this button here. And once you upload it to this app, you can then get your baby to do the dance that you recorded yourself. Now for me, I went and found a dance that I wanted my baby to do. All right. And you can find dances by simply, now this, I wouldn't do this if you're trying to earn money. But if you're just trying to like play around with the app, you can do this. You go to TikTok, you type in dance. When you type in dance, you see all these people doing dances, right? All these different dances that they're doing. You just click on one. All right. So for example, this girl is doing some kind of dance. I'm gonna hit this share button, and as you can see, it's a download button here. All right. So if I want my baby to do this dance, I'll just download this dance to my phone. All right. Once I have that dance downloaded to my phone, I then want to transfer it over into the Kling app so that my baby can do that dance. So I will click this button right here. I would pick that dance, and what it's doing now, you see it right here, is loading that dance, that video, onto this platform. And as you can see, that is the video that I got from TikTok. All right. Now, here's where the magic comes in. You can choose, if you look down here, you can choose 1080p or you can do 720. I'm going to do 720 because I don't want to spend that many credits. As you can see, the credits is only 102. If you do 1080, you're spending 136 credits. All right, so for me, I'm just going to do 720 because I don't want to spend much on credits. I'm going to use original sound, and I'm just going to hit this generate button right here. All right. Now, what's happening is it's saying that it's going to be 13 minutes. 13 minutes. My video is creating that video of the baby doing that dance move. And it's going to take 13 minutes for that video to be done. So while that is loading, I'm going to talk to you guys about some more stuff. All right. So if I just go over to a channel that I made, that I created with babies dancing, you will be able to see examples. I made this. All right. I made this video using AI. All right. I made this video using AI. The same method that I'm teaching you guys right now. All right. I made this video using AI. The same method that I'm teaching you guys right now. This is what you guys are going to be doing yourself. All right. I made this one using AI. I made this one using AI. I wonder if y'all can just guess who I'm emulating there. This was done with AI as well. These are all AI videos. And I was just testing out different characters that I can create, and just different methods and stuff like that. I made this Grinch with all of his jewelry and everything. Just giving you guys different examples of what you can create. All right. And yeah, man, I made all of this stuff using AI, and pretty much the method that I'm sharing with you guys is exactly how I made it. All right, so let's go back to Kling, see how many minutes we got. We got 8 minutes left. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just pause the video for a hot second. while I pause the video for a hot second, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you want to get more videos like this, because I will be uploading more videos teaching you how to make AI videos. All right, so if you want to learn that stuff, definitely subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. And all right guys, so it looked like our video is finally done. I should have got a girl baby to do this, but it is what it is. I'm just trying to make an example. Pause. Turn the music down because we don't need none of that going on. So as you can see, the baby is doing exactly what the girl in the video was doing. All right, and that's pretty much how you guys make dancing AI videos, dancing baby AI videos. All right, again, if this was helpful, do me a small favor, hit the thumbs up button. All right, subscribe if you haven't done so that you don't miss out on more videos that I will drop. That's going to help you guys learn about AI. Again, I should have got a girl baby to do this dance, but it is what it is. You guys get the example, and that's what's important. All right, so let's see the original video. I'm gonna show you guys the original video of the person that's doing the dance, so that y'all can see hand in hand. This is the original video I got from TikTok. All right, just so y'all can see how accurate it is. All right, and you know, all right, shout out to that girl. All right, here is the video. You know what I'm saying? All right, and that's pretty much how you guys do that. All right, so again, if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. I will be dropping more videos soon here, so thank you for that.